Hey guys, welcome back. Well, in this video, we're going to put the D to the side here, and we're going to start working on the engine for my grandpa's M. Now, I don't want to do too much tonight, but I think it would be kind of fun to try to get the head off and open this thing up for the first time in, well, let's see, I think my grandpa had this thing tore apart in probably 1987, 1988, somewhere in there. So we're coming up on 40 years since this thing's been apart. And I'm gonna save the story for a later date, but that's because I want to involve my cousin in this a little bit. He is a little bit older than I am, and he remembers more of the story when it came home to my grandpa's place. So I will say that this engine was stuck significantly, and in order to get it unstuck, my cousin was saying that they had the head off of it and they were beating the heck out of it with hammers and blocks of wood. So I don't know what we're going to find in here, but it's pretty cool to know that the last person that was inside this engine was my grandpa, and it's been a long time since it's been apart. He passed away in 1993 on Thanksgiving Day, so I'm not going to film too much of the teardown of this portion just because I've already done my M that I had. I did Connor's Super M, I did the H. So I'm not going to worry about, spending a lot of time detailing the teardown of the engine, but what I will do is detail a lot of the findings within the engine. I don't think this thing has a lot of compression, so I anticipate really worn rings, possibly worn cylinders, pitted cylinders, because it did have water in it for quite a while. So you never know, but let's just get started on it and let's see what we find. All right. Okay, well, I decided I didn't want to take my engine hoist out, even though it's right there. So I got this ratchet strap over the ceiling joist. See where we're at here. Well, cylinders are definitely there's no crosshatch left in the cylinders, that's for sure. I better put a piece of cardboard down here. I don't want to get any more oil on the floor than I have to. Whew. Okay. I'm gonna have to get a couple of blocks of wood to stick under there so that I can readjust my strap. But the head's coming up, so that's good. Okay, head is off. Time capsule is opened. It's tough to say. I already see it says this side down right here on the top side of the gasket. So this head gasket's not installed correctly. But I was looking it over, and I think cylinder 3 and cylinder 4 were the ones that were stuck. Cylinder 1 and 2 look, aside from being glazed over, look pretty good, but I can see some pitting in the cylinder on 3, and if we rotate it over, I can see pitting again on cylinder 4. Oh, cylinder 1 even has some pits about halfway down. I don't see any on that side. Oh, a little bit of discoloration there. But there's a little bit of cross-hatching left in this area on 1. But I can't really see any on any of the other cylinders, so these things are pretty well polished. It's got the flat top pistons in it. Let me grab my dial indicator here. What can I stick this to? How about right here? Stick that there. Where did I put my dial indicator? I had it. Where did I put it? Oh, I'd lose my head if it wasn't attached. Oh, there it is on top of the D. Let's see what we got for a bore size here. Sorry, I was standing right in the middle. Well, it's measuring out right at about 4 inches. So they do have an overbore kit in it. But again, this is not the engine that came in this tractor. This is not the engine from the tractor. What about if we flip over the head to see what that looks like? I'll bring you guys here in a second. Let me get it flipped. Oh, those valves are way sunken in. I don't see any cracks, visible. There's some definite deep gouges though, probably from when my grandpa wrestled this thing back onto the tractor. Some deep scratches in the surface of the head. And some weird gunk. Okay, I'll bring you in for a closer look. Where are you? There you are. Okay. Lots of carbon, that's for sure. This valve is pretty well sunk in. This one isn't too bad. That one feels almost as if it's warped a little bit. These valves are both sunk in. And this one's really bad. Sunk into the head pretty good. Same with that one. What's interesting is I was looking at this. Somebody has ground off the casting number on this head. I don't know where to begin. The springs look good. I mean, these all look clean and really nice. They feel quite strong, so, well, the head is off. Now we got to start taking off all the accessories: water pump, fan, oil filter, magneto governor, and we got to work on getting the crankshaft pulley off. And then we can flip it over, take the pan off, start undoing rod bolts, take the oil pump out. This is something unique that I haven't seen. These are an interesting bracket, but they have these are like a rubber mounted bracket here. I haven't seen these before. Usually it's a big cast block with just 2 bolts that go through the frame rail and into the side of the block, but this must be the early rubber mounted well, engine mount. Huh. Interesting. But that's as far as I wanted to get today. Interesting things you find. What's the casting number on the block here? 6943DJ with a date code of April 8th Q. I can't remember what Q is, but I don't believe it's a 1940 block, that's for sure. There's no serial number on it. We already looked for that. That's missing. So this is definitely a replacement block. Anyhow, that's as far as I wanted to get today. I'm glad we could get the head off and, break open this time capsule. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for wrenching with me, and stay tuned for the next one. I'm not sure if it's going to be stuff on the D or stuff on the M next, but we'll do something. Thanks for watching, guys.
Okay, here we are, New Year morning, and Dad's trying to tune Grandpa Christopherson's tractor. He brags about how when he worked on the farm he could make these things really pull, so I want to get this on tape to see if he can get this to run.
Farming in the country. Due to the outstanding weather conditions we have here today, 22 below zero. Cold one. We're standing out here freezing our ass off, trying to get the McCormick Deering to plow snow. Tweep, tweep, tweep. Try, see if it'll start.
A lot of compression, she won't even turn over.
That's it, part going the other way.
Yeah.
See if we can catch up to it.
Right.
Okay, try it now.
All the way around.
Idiot's working on the tractor again.
God damn! Oh. Fuck! I thought deer hunting was over.
Did you get hurt?
No.
Looks like you did. Let's go fishing. Finishing? We're gonna go finishing now, so stay warm over there.
We're gonna drill holes in the ice and drop lines down for fish. Sounds like
I'm
fun.
gonna fuel that auger up because if I'm gonna run a line of holes, so if we have to, we control. God, what a nice day, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go fishing.
It's only 22 below. What a beautiful day.